Hello. How you guys doing? Welcome, welcome. Alright. Hi. Hello. How was your week? Hopefully it was swell. So yeah, last week I did touch on this a little bit, but then didn't finish. So I want to see if I can get this a little cleaner today. Get that little notification things in multiplayer working. And I think some sound cleanup stuff I also want to take care of. Mainly removing that annoying ass like test song in there, and going over and reviewing the sound effects, and probably adding a bunch more, but we'll see. Unfortunately, today was you will soon begin a new and fulfilling career. Panda Express, you can't be doing this to me. Oh, no. I haven't had Panda Express in a while. I think the last time I actually did was back when I worked at the casino, because they had a Panda Express at the casino. 88 months. Holy shit. Thank you for that. Appreciate it.
Hacker man. Used to
If we
move
do this.
hacker of all time.
So
New phone who dis?
I hate how like delayed the TTS is. I need to fix that, but not now. Right. So where was I? So I draw the notification stuff, but I think the that's just well, how do I have this up actually? That's just a placeholder right now, right? Well. So video tasting and ranking their food, so I got in the mood for it. I mean, fair. Yeah, I've been there. Not necessarily with Panda Express, but yeah, I've been there. Yeah. Borders, sides. Yep. Okay. Address things over. Sure. Text boxes. Garbage stuff. Wait. Shuffle the bag. No. Where is Oh, I've got that as part of the okay, hang on. I have that as part of the screen, don't I? Yeah, okay, so I don't actually draw those on there right now. I need to do that. Okay. I will need to remove these here in a little bit from that. But that's not what I wanted to open. Nope. Yeah, so let's start with bin Tetrisness. Okay. And make sure I use the correct controller for this. 2-player. All right. Tools, debug. Tile map. Okay, I don't need that. I want that. All right, so I'm gonna want a routine for basically drawing and or clearing these things. You know, I want a routine that will set up that entire row. How much time do I have during? Where is it? I want the event viewer during a frame. I mean, I probably have enough, right? Oh yeah, I've got enough time. Oh right, because that's not. Those tiles aren't drawn like that, right? They're not done. They're not drawn during the NMI, so I don't have to worry about that. Holy shit. What's my guy doing? It's the shit number. Hello. From your new apartment. Welcome. Welcome, welcome.
Oh no, it's the new number.
Oh no. Oh no. So for these guys, I think I actually want to draw them with tiles. Which means I'm going to need something in NMI to handle that. And I don't think I do any of that. Tiles, rights. Okay, so I'm writing that shit every goddamn frame. Do I want to write the other stuff every goddamn frame? Because I think I've got time for it. I might want to. Resize, pane, down 15. There, that's good. Equals. All right. And am I in here anywhere? NMI versus game. All right. There's a cool 41. Whoa. Little toasty. Just a tad bit toasty. Okay, so how many is this actually? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's not bad. I have all that in 0 page, right? Probably. We're gonna find out. All right, P1 or yeah, P1. Notifs dot res 12 and then P2, and let's see if I ran out of space. Go to hell. I've actually okay. All right, I got to fix that now. That's cool. Ooh, we got an AC now. Nice. 1 a.m. and still 82 Fahrenheit. That's yeesh. Is it at least if you've got the AC running though, that rips the moisture out, right? So that helps a lot, or it should help, you know. What is it in here? Oh yeah, so I've had my AC going since like 2 days ago at this point. It is 70 degrees Fahrenheit in here in my stream room. The warm room, it's 70 degrees. And the other room's like almost 60, I think. 65. So I hear European having an evil AC? I've been seeing because of the World Cup stuff happening, right? Some Europeans being absolutely amazed at AC and understanding why we have that over here. That's what a lot of Americans don't understand about the European heat. 17 hours of sun and it doesn't cool off at night, like the U.S. I mean, it doesn't really cool off at night here during the summer. Depending. I mean, it might like a little bit, but I mean, if it was humid during the day, it's going to be even worse at night. So, sorry, I mean, a sensible European finally come to the amazing awareness of AC. Oh, yeah, that was a guy that I posted a TikTok or whatever, where he's like walking around fucking, I don't know, Dallas or some shit. And it's going on about like how hot it is or whatever, and he just like walks into a random like building's entryway, and he goes, "What the fuck? This is like the Arctic. What? This is suddenly like I'm like frolicking in snow. Like what the fuck?" Yeah, that's why we like it. That's why we use it. All right, so I actually need to. I need to put these in their own things, I think. Right. Yeah. Git move convertmap.go into convertmap. Go mod init convert map mod tidy. Thank you. And then if I go over to the make file now, These guys all need convert map. Well, no, they don't. Right? I can just do... Can I just do this? I could probably just do this. Maybe. Oh my god. Okay. We're gonna build that. We gotta build that. All right. God damn it. Fuck. Utils. Bin convert map. Bin. What's the other one? RNG. Well, maybe I don't need that one. Maybe I don't need that one. We'll see. We'll see. Oh shit! No, I need to. Nope. Utils like that. And then this is just going to be bin / convert map. Get rid of the .go. And then I need to actually put that in there. Bin convert map. Start.go. CD convert map and go build. Output bin. No, out yeah. Output at make. Next one now. God damn it. All right, well. Practice boards. Practice boards. Practice boards. Now, git move practice boards.go into practice boards cd practice boards go mod init practice boards go mod tidy bin practice boards make. That's not how you spell make. No target specify. Oh, make. Huh? Oh, because this needs to be bin that. Okay. Yeah. We also have an average higher humidity. Really expensive. Electricities are also really expensive. Yeah. Fun fact, France's new heat record is higher than that of Florida. Oh, wow. Florida's consistently way too hot. We don't have super high spikes because of the ocean. Yeah, enough wind. Sometimes too much wind. Hurricanes. Other parts of France in this book are actually some of the most productive agricultural regions. Uh-oh. Whoa. Yikes. That's unfortunate. 47C. Jesus. Jeez. Are you in France now? Is that where you are now? Okay, so I don't need to, like, actually print this shit out for the practice boards. So let me fix that. Where? Run, yeah. Boards, output, sure. Format, F print line, output practice board, sure. Where does it vomit all over the screen? There's one. Oh, this shit right here. Output, get rid of that. Rid of that. Still putting it there. It's a new line. Get rid of that. Make. There we go. Okay, good. Deprecated feature address size. Really? Okay. Luckily not. Okay. There's a record from 47. Ah, okay. Gotcha. So yeah, apparently I do have enough space for this. That's cool. Reload. Oh, right, because that's player 2. Player 1. Right, debug. Memory viewer. Wow, we're getting very close. We've only got like 16 bytes free in zero page. Wow. Where is... Oh, right here. Player 1 notice plus 0 right there. And then that's going down to... 12 a pop? Right there. All right, well, yeah, we're getting close on zero page. Getting real close on zero page. We're getting close on everything else, too. Goddamn. Oh, no, never mind. Well, I mean, almost. Yeah, this is all Famous Studio stuff, right? Oh, no, that's zero page. Wait a minute. Yeah, whatever, we're fine. We're fine. Can we have in 2003 hit 15,000? Jesus Christ. Jesus. Okay, so that one I need border size. Yeah. I need to set up the right tiles for this. It needs to be this one here, which is 0, 1, 2. Okay. All right. Okay, that's the MMC5 offset. Okay, so I can do that. Over adders, text boxes, garbage styles, garbage stuff. All right, we're gonna that resets that. Okay, so here, set up Notifications. 4. Wow. Okay. Load X. 0. And load A. 2. Right? Is that how that shit works? Yeah. We'll go $0.02 for that. Store that into 2382. 2382 plus MC5 offset at X, as well as 2392 at that. Compare X. Compare X to what? 12. Branch 9 equal backwards. All right. And now I'm going to want. Well, I want to rotate that around. Okay. Now during the frame, George, how you doing? Welcome. During the frame, after. Okay, those are the two players. All right. No pause. We'll set it up here. Load up. That. JSR. Load Y. Player 1. JSR to prep notives. Yoink, paste. 2. No. 2 prep notice. All right. Yeah, probably fine. All right. Now we need to find a spot to put it. Right here will be fine. Prep notifs. RTS. Okay. So, I'm gonna need some tables. No, I have tables for this, don't I? Where are they? They up here? Over here? Clear mask. This guy here. No, I need a table for the tiles. That's what I need. Co-op Valheim World in 2.5 months? Ooh, is a new release coming out for that? Is that what's happening in 2 months? Ooh. I'd be down for that. I'd certainly be down for that. News. Ooh. That's what Deep North and all. Whoa! On the 9th of September this year. Okay. 9/9. With full crossplay between 5. Ooh. Ooh. We changed it to the train generation, so new worlds are basically necessary. Right. Yep. Ooh. Maybe we got some plushies too. Nice. It's been a hot minute since I've been in Valheim. Due for another, bout of that. All right, we'll just put it. Let's put it right here, actually. notifs tiles. Are each of these like 2 or 3? How big are each of these? Oh Jesus, they're all different sizes, aren't they? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. They are all 3 tiles. Oh. Okay, that works. I have to go with the new gate names plan. Oh, gate names is a pain. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I just put letters for mine. All right, so the first one, that's, nope, over here. 54, 53, 6D. Those are just, no, those are, I have to actually use these. So, ooh. Oh, I don't have them over here. TSM. Okay, well, let's correct that. Images. Tiles 3. Good, it actually worked. All right. So we're gonna grab all of. No, not all of everything. All of these guys that are 3 a pop. Move them over there, like that. So now I've got 3 more. Good. What about say doing? Did I say hi to you yet? I think I did. I did, yeah. Ton Martin? That one's over my head. Pot, Poison, and Winder. First and last are regular letters, with the middle ones being specific. Yeah, I'm going to make all of them specifics. Yeah. TSM and B2B. I mean, it's not going to be much. I'm not going to, like, change this stuff. Right? But I'm going to have them as bespoke tiles down here. T-spin. Where's the M? Little m. Little m. B. Another B. And the 2. So many, back to back. The clears. That doesn't seem... Whatever, it's fine. They all go to the Ashlands. Which should give you a hint. It doesn't. You'd think it would, but... Very specifically make it even. That sounds about right, which is why I'm leaving it. Okay. Save that. Over here. Make... Ashton Martin. That one I get. Over here, reload. Go down. Hey. Oh! Oh! Unexpected. Oh, right, because I moved them over here. Yeah, right. So these guys, these are going to go there. And then, what the fuck was it? It was 1 clear. PC. 2 clear. Save that. Come back here. Reload. No, not reload. I need to reassemble first. That looks trippy. Do that. Now I can reload. Down here. A. There we go. There we go. Okay. Potassium. Ash explosion. Ah, okay. Gotcha. Potassium, yeah. No. All right, so that's, what is this? Tile index D7, D8, and D9. D7, D8, and 20. Paste and D9. Teaspoon mini. Oh no, I need it for these. All right. Back to back. Bite. What? This one? Yeah. Where are we? 42, 32, 42. No, because I didn't redo that one. It's these guys. Save that. Over here. Make. Over here. Reload. Reload. Papa Mouse, how you doing? Welcome. Okay. Now what is it? E7, E8, E9. E7, E8, and E9. And then perfect is EA, B, and then C. Okay. Doing all right. Can't complain too much. 90 more minutes of severe thunderstorm watch. Uh-oh. Quake 3 Arena. I haven't played that in a long while. I don't think I was ever very good at it. All right. Notifs tiles counts. Okay. So these are row clear counts versus the special counts. Yeah. $5. Oh, nice. I think I have it. Probably. I don't know. Okay, so one clear is gonna be over. Shit. Ah, no. Stop it. It's gonna be 2D A, B, and C. No, wait. No, DA, DB, and DC. Two clear is from DD onwards. D, E, F. Can we probably look for it? Fair. I think I might have it on Steam, honestly. And then E and Fs. E. Nope. E, F. Okay. Prep notice. You know what? I'm just gonna just JSR prep notice. It's gonna do it for both of them. I'm not gonna bother trying to like, oh, do this one, do player one first, and then go to player two. No, just do fucking all of them. Fuck it. So, player one, load up. Player one notice. And that with 3 to get the lower ones, lower whatevers. Branch equal. Over here. Otherwise, load up. Yoink. No, I'm not loading the. That's the tile buffer. That's the. Hang on. Load up that. No. Transfer A to X. Load up that at X. Store that there. This needs to be that last clear mask. Plus 0, player 1. Yoink, paste for player 2. I think you need 7, not 3, once you start at 1 and go to the 4 enum. Oh, I need fucking damn it. Yeah. It's been I've been away from assembly for too long that I forgot that tables like this aren't. Each line isn't an array item. It's each byte is an array item essentially. So I gotta actually get the correct fucking. What's it? I have to get the correct offset in the damn thing. So put that in X, decrement X, load A, molt 3 at X, transfer A to X again. There. And the masks. The and masks. I guess I'm thinking I need 7, not 3, since you start at 1 and go to 4 in the enum. Seven. Well, hey. Yeah, okay. Yep. Yep. Yeah, and hopefully that's not That's fine. I was thinking of using the top bit for like, hey, we've got a notification, and then just use the bottom 3, and then not have the decrement, but that's fine. It doesn't matter. It's fine. No. All right. Tally counts. Oh, that's gonna be actually at shit. At +3. Because it's 3 of them. Repeat 3 times with I, and repeat +I +I +3. Yoink. Paste. Get rid of those. Player 1. Okay. Might be easiest to drop the decrement and have a 0 entry, be 3 spaces, so it clears. You know, I like that. Yeah. And then get rid of that. So we'll just always do it anyway. And that's just going to be 20, 20, 20, the space character. Okay. Yeah, that works. All right. Now, load up. Last clear mask +0. And that with T-spin. Branch equal. No T-spin. We're going to B2B, and then perfect. Okay. Clear mass T-spin. Right. Yep. It's an enum. And it will T-spin branch it. Okay, and then we're going to repeat 3 times with I. Load up. Yoink. Paste. Plus. Plus I. Store that into P1 notifs plus I. Plus 0 times 3. Yoink. Paste. Plus 1. Player 2. Probably a much better way to do this, but I'm not sure I care right now. 1. I'm not ordering these like I did before. Well, actually, yes, I am, because that's 1 times 3. 1 times 3. Two-spin mini. Mini. Okay. Load up. Okay. Britt, how you doing? Welcome. Welcome. Yoink that. Paste it. Perfect, because that one's next. Load of tiles. 2. 2. Yeah. Like that. Paste it there. +1. Player 2. And then lastly, yoink. Paste. B2B. 3. 3. I think. Possibly. Yeah, so I'm doing some cleanup and hopefully getting some notification stuff working for 2-player. Testing, that's going to be a pain in the ass, I think, but, you know, I'll get there. Okay, so that handles that. Let's go up to the init, where I'm actually... What the fuck was all that counted out? Ah. Yeah, okay. And then here, load up. Load up 20. Repeat. There it is. What, 24? And repeat. Store that into no notice +1 plus I. I don't need to be that fast with it. At X, load X. $19. Decrement X, branch plus over there. Clear notice. No reference to unnamed label. 207. It's the wrong direction. God, it's been too long. All right, reload. Now, if this works right, I shouldn't see any on the bottom. It didn't work right. Because I'm not doing anything in NMI yet. God damn it. Meant load 20 and load X 23. 23, yep. I don't know why I got 20 in there, but yeah. NMI, right. NMI versus game. Okay. After all this bullshit, we're going to repeat 12 with I. First, though, P1, actually. We're going to put this up here somewhere. Paste. So we can take that, put it there. Yoink that. Paste it there. Paste it there. Make it a 2. Delete that. P2 equals paste. Huh. Load up. High byte of. Nope. That. Store that into 2006. Yoink paste and low byte. And then load A. Notice plus I. Store that into 2006. 7. Do the same thing for player 2. That's not a 2, that's a 2. Okay, now it shouldn't show anything on the bottom. What? Why? It's in vertical mode, that's why. Nope. There we go. Okay. Now I just need to make sure I'm setting those correctly. Okay, what's shared, not the notifs. I need... Actually, this stuff can go into... here, like that. That's where that's the only place I'm using it. Over here is P1. No, oh, it's right here. Last clear mask is here. Okay, so I got the perfect. I got the back to back. So I need to do the T-spin. I don't think T-spin mini is ever gonna really happen. Load up. Clear mask T-spin, because I don't detect that right now. T-spin, or that, and store it. But before any of that, like that, last clear count. I think state clear. That's not used anywhere, is it? I'm not sure that's used anywhere. It is. Never mind. Okay. Queue notif is solo. Okay, so I'm keeping that in there. I'm not touching that. Yeah, and then NMI. Load 20. Repeat 12 with I. So no, not there. Yoink. Paste store. Like that. Yeah, that'll be at the end there. That's fine. And then load a last clear mask. No, it's gonna be a store. Load a 0. Okay. That should, in theory, work. Maybe. Maybe. Let's try. Oh, okay. Yeah. It showed it for a few frames, actually. It showed it for the clear. Because it's not updated. Okay, it's not updated until the next shit, the whenever that's fucking called. The game frame. That's why. And doing something more than that sounds like a pain in the ass. Yeah. To set up a separate timer for that. Right. Yeah, because that'd be something I'd count down in the frame. Right. Or in the NMI, rather. It'd have to be attached to a state, though, if I want to do it in the game code. Yeah, it's fine. That's fine for now, I think. I think that's fine for now. At least enough to commit. Shit. Get reset. Screens. VS Playfield. Get diff the make file. Because this... Okay, yep. Add that. Get add convert map go dot star. Practice boards go dot star. Get dad. Get add. Practice boards dot go. Okay. Update. Move go utils into spoke folders. Moved convert map and practice boards utilities into their own folders so they can each have their own go.mod file. Also, compile these utilities into bin while we're at it. All right. Git add images tiles3 dot a sprite and images tiles3 dot boop. Diff main. What's changed here? I'll change that in a minute. Git diff game dash shared. That's fine. Git add tiles through that. Sure, I didn't realize I did those. I should probably have that in like the images subfolder or something, but whatever. Diff game dash vs. What's different in here? Just enough stuff. I believe so. Yes. What? Wouldn't clearing this out here? No, clear that out there doesn't matter because it... Does it? You'd think it'd be only one frame if I cleared it out here, wouldn't you? Because that's the buffer I'm clearing out, and that buffer's written every frame. So you'd think that would only happen for a frame. Why does it happen for more than one frame? Well, so the NMI doesn't change in versus mode because both players are active at the same time, right? So it can't change for one of the players' game states. Prep notifs. This is in... What state is this in? This is in the versus mode frame. This is outside of the player states. Clear mass is cleared. Yeah, it doesn't depend on state, so it always runs. Oh, because that's updated every single frame for state clear. That's why. That's why. Save some end of my time? Yeah. I could probably save some end of my time, actually. Oops, 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 oops. Am I? Yeah, so we're gonna grab that. Put that there. So if I remove this, that's not the right character for that. This shouldn't clear anything, ever, right? Maybe? Right. Doesn't clear anything now. So if I can get two. Let's just there's two note of countdowns. State clear, state place. Load A. 2 seconds. Store that into that at Y. Load A. Note of countdowns. Plus 0. Branch equal over there. Otherwise, decrement. That. Does that set 0? The decrement? Why doesn't... Oh. Control that, thank you. That's not what I wanted. Legends, how you doing? I'm one of those voters who got into programming during that wave when everyone was saying you could land a job in a year. Since I'm completed a technical program now I'm in college. Okay, nice. Labs, I don't. Still can't get my first job. People keep telling me it's all about LinkedIn, but I really hate sucking up to people just for networking. What's my perspective on that? I am currently sitting in a job that I hate because job hunting is that atrocious to me. I hate job hunting. Unfortunately, it is a lot of networking. And LinkedIn does suck, but that's where I've gotten a bunch of my jobs. So while it's a shit website, you're going to want to have a LinkedIn. That's just how it is. The past, I don't know. What the fuck job did I have last? So before this one, I had a job that I knew someone, basically, through a connection. Before that, I'm trying to like work in my head backwards for this shit. Before that was LinkedIn. Something off of LinkedIn, actually, through recruiter stuff. Yeah. God, moving backwards through time is such a, without bringing up my resume. So I'm not doing that on stream. I think before the Boston one, it was, yeah, that was the moving company, which I think also was through a recruiter via LinkedIn. And before that was through a friend at the Cobalt place. And then before that was the casino. I've had better luck. I've been on LinkedIn probably longer, maybe longer. I don't know. And I've got a lot of things I can bullshit about, you know. If it makes you feel any better, Legends, it took me a while to get into my field after college. So when I finished up college, where was I working? And thank you for this. I appreciate that. When I finished up college, I think I was working. It was either at a fuck, what was that? A Greek food place doing delivery, or the arcade. I think it might have been the arcade. So the food place was during college. So I was working at an arcade as an arcade tech, right? Soldering shit and counting tokens, essentially. And then that job didn't pay anything, right? Like I wasn't paying my own rent then. My parents were paying my rent, right? For my apartment. I was basically just covering my phone bill and like my internet bill, I think, right? Just keep going. You'll get one. You'll get one saying you get a job. Yeah, I don't think that's good. That's not good advice. That is not sound advice. But yeah, so at the arcade, it was relaxing, kind of, compared to what I'm doing now. It was a job I could sleep at practically. But the pay was dog shit, right? The hourly rate was good, but I wasn't getting any hours. I was getting like 8 hours a week, maybe, which is, you can't live off of that. So my parents were actually like getting ready to clean out their basement so I could move back in, right? And I'm a few states away right now. I was at the time as well. And then out of a stroke of blind fucking luck, right? I applied to the casino through like their web portal thing, right? And blind luck, I got that job. And didn't have to move back in with my parents. But that was tech support, right? Someone drops a printer, I go replace it. It's not what I went to school. I went to school for software, right? Replacing a broken printer wasn't software dev. But I was there for like 2.5 years, I think, right? Until I got another job through a friend that I knew at a COBOL place. That was my first foot in the door at any kind of software dev place. That place was a nightmare. They might still be around, but I'd be surprised if they're around for much longer. The owner's like in his 70s, late 70s, I think, and his kids don't want the business. But yeah, what I'm getting at is it'll probably take a hot minute to get into a decent job. Trying to beat yourself up about that. The job search is going to be painful. I've been there, and I'm not looking forward to going back into it. Which again, is why I'm in a job I hate. Would I want to own a Cobalt dev company? No. No, that was actually that was something I had seriously considered at one point. Was legitimately buying that company, or working out some, because like what the owner wanted for it, for the company, was basically a salary of like 60 grand, right? Which for control over that company is a fucking steal. But that meant I'd have to deal with a coworker of mine and basically get rid of him because he was just costing the company money, and I'm still not good with managerial shit. Does he still want to sell it? Maybe. I'm not looking to buy it though. I don't want that nightmare because so the software is dog shit. It works, I guess, but that's like 30, 40 years of duct tape, right? The one other guy that really knew the software died years ago. Died like 5-6 years ago. During COVID, not from COVID. He died from heart complications. I think he was on like a heart donor list, but he died before he could receive, right? He had a heart attack at one point. I don't remember if it was while I was there or not. It might have been afterwards, but he had a heart attack and his cognitive ability tanked after that. It was bad. Tiff Can't Game, hey, doing? Welcome. Just got my performance review and got told I'm doing great, and boss told me to look into requesting an NVIDIA what? Node cluster on my desk so I can use as professional development and learning, but I may have talked him into buying me the Spark and then letting me grow make my own cluster. Fun! Alright. Or at least might want the customer list. Nah. AI, yeah, I figured as much. They're smaller than Mac Mini. Oh, okay. My friend was telling me that my company might be going into skeleton mode. Uh-oh. Apparently the higher ups were talking about making every team as few other people as possible, like firing 40 to 50. Ooh. Oh. That's disconcerting. Would you be on the short list of that skeleton crew? Yeah, I've been hearing a bunch of companies doing layoffs. Yeah. A bunch of professors buying 10 of them at a time and have no idea what they're doing with them, so they want me to learn how to use and manage them. Throw money at the thing and figure it out. For what? I don't know. Huh? Cart before the horse, I think. Here's a magic box. Figure out something we can do with it. But why? I don't know. I already spent money on it. I'm not a businessman, but that seems a little backwards. So I guess for like professors and like research shit, that might be a little different. But for like a for-profit company, that sounds ass backwards to me. 2 devs per team. Oh, I would be part of the 2 developers as I'm a staff engineer. Okay, a developer that floats between projects and not a normal one. Oh. 2 dedicated labs with over 100K in networking gear, and none of the professors know how to use them. Oh my god. Sounds like something corporate bigwigs do. Yeah. 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 Yeah, that's at 0. Branch not equal. Over there. Yoink. Paste. And repeat. Yoink. Paste. +1, +1. Okay, so those are the clears. Let me turn off this again too. This here. Did I make? I did not. Okay, reload. All right, now let's see how long those stay on the screen for. Uh-oh, that's too long. That is way, way, way too long. Okay. Give me the watch window, and let's add notif count downs, comma 2. Invalid expression, of course, because I need to do it this way. Nope, come on, give me the 2E. And let's do this in come on, do it in unsigned decimal. Thank you. Okay, so it's not clearing it. Why? P1 notifs 12. Branch equal. Oh, let me hang on. Let's try that. So the mask will clear. Well, I mean, I shouldn't have to if it's long enough. No, I need to clear the mask out entirely, yeah. But don't I do that down here? I thought I did. No, I did, but then I stopped doing that. Load 0, store that into yoink, paste, yoink, paste. No. No, plus 0. Thank you. Now let's try that. Resets the notice thing every single time, which is fine, I think. Oh! No, that cleared it too fast. So that's going to clear it like next frame. Speed, quarter. Yeah, that cleared it way too fast now. What the hell? Clear the mask, not the buffer, for it to not just repopulate the buffer. Clear the timer, not always. Branch equal. Clear it. Because it's 0, right? Otherwise, if it's not equal, decrement. And if it's not equal, don't clear it. Right? Do I have that logic correct? Maybe? Where's the debugger? Do I have the debugger open? I did not. I don't think. I did not. Debugger. Prep notifs. Decrement. Oh, because it's going slower. Okay. And that goes through all that. Okay. Speed, normal. Okay, and then that's going to go through all that because I placed something. This is going to be annoying to test. All right. Ben chilling. How you doing? Welcome. Okay. Reset that. Let's actually pop in here every time. Hang on, do I still clear this out in fucking NMI? No. Do I clear that out over here? Clear out the last clear mask. I need to be clearing out the mask, not that. Oh my god. Cause Jesus. How did I miss that? All right. Get rid of that. Doing good. That's good to hear. It's good to hear. I am getting back into some assembly stuff that I haven't done in a while. This stuff I haven't done in fucking months, I think. I saw the mask clear at the end. Okay. Okay. Let's get rid of whatever the hell that was. That's not what I wanted to do. Shit. Okay, well, put that there. Put that there. Fuck. Wasn't paying attention. Oh, I should have. God damn it. Go to location. Mask, clear mask. Are those both blank? Yes. Why? Those shouldn't be getting cleared yet. Branch equal. Branch not equal. Branch equal clears it. yeah, well, okay. I think if I noticed, did you move the mask clearing you added back in earlier? I think so, yeah. No, I didn't. Ha. Why? Did that not like... Did I not recompile correctly? No, it did. That's gonna... Every single frame is gonna do that. I can't... Oh my god. Nope. Go back over here. Go to location. Okay. And then there. This is like F5. F5. It's not even showing it here. Wait a minute. Because notice is blank. That's always clearing notice. I don't even do that right. That's why. Okay. Player 2. That was it. I swear to God. Whew, the lag with the debugger open. My God. There it is. There it is. Close that. Let's close that. Let's close that. And that. And especially that. So now it's 2 seconds. Okay. And if it goes faster than 2 seconds, it should... what's it? It should update just fine. Whoop, okay, well, I didn't see that one coming. Because I'm a dumbass. Yank. I'm bad at this, Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay, good. It overwrites it. Good. That's what I wanted. I don't think it overwrote that one, though. Maybe it did. I don't know. I like this. I'm glad that the garbage stuff is actually working nicely. Yeah. Seems to it resets the timer whenever you place a block, regardless of whether that block cleared anything. Yeah, currently, yes. So that's what this here is. So if I take that, JSR place block. No. Game mistake. Check clear rows. I think that's where I need to put it. In here. Count to clear. Take out the X. Okay, so jump next. Nope. Next. Do I have? Ah, jeez. Check clear rows. Branch equal. Oh, I can just pop it in here. I don't have to worry about that because I... Yeah, so this is setting it to the next clear. Yeah. Okay. So I could just put it in there, into the clear rows. Grab that from there. Put it in there. I guess it should set the count whenever you set the mask. I mean, probably. Thank you for the follow, by the way. Appreciate that. This should work, only because it won't time out before it needs to clear it. Okay. Oh, I'm not fast enough. Damn. I need to set up like 2 of them. What? Okay, I think that was good. Maybe? Probably, yeah. No. This mess is always set when a clear happens, so setting the count on every clear should be fine too. Well, the count only happens when, well, yeah, on every clear, not every place, at least. Yeah. No. Yeah, we're fine. All right. The blue L paste is a darker blue when placed than when you're moving it. So that's a so this down here is the ghost piece, right? That's just like the lowest possible location it can be at. And it places it, and it flashes for a second, right? It flashes to a solid color. I forget exactly what color I use or what variation of it, but it's solid during a frame or two of the place, right? Just for like an added effect of like, bah, right? But yeah, so there's 2 versions of the piece that I'm dropping. It's the piece that's actually falling, and then the ghost piece, this guy down here, which is just a darker color, darker palette of the pieces dropping. Purely visual stuff. All right. Diff game versus. All the prep notifs, and then yeah. Add that. Diff main. We're not gonna add that yet. Add screens. That. Okay. Yeah, there's no transparency. I do have a setting for flashing it though. That's why I reset and then go over to options, and then ghost flash. So that. Yeah, let me slow the game down so it actually the stream can actually pick it up. Quarter speed. So it flashes it. It still does the darker color, but it flashes it, right? So on capture anyway, it'll dim it. You know, that's how like transparency works on the NES, right? Settings, speed, normal. Turn that off though, because it doesn't capture right. It doesn't capture well. Yeah. I really like that shake too, by the way. The goo. It's unfortunate that I can't really have that in like 2-player mode, you know. But oh well, it's fine. It's fine. All right, commit that. Implement versus mode. Clear notifications. Clear notifications are abbreviated. From their single player counterparts and will and have locations, have reserved locations to draw for each player. Yep. They both should work. I didn't test player 2, but yeah, that works. Good. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Yeah. And I didn't get the garbage shit mixed up, did I? Like, that wasn't supposed to drop anything, right? Okay, yeah. The 1 clear doesn't drop anything. It's 2 and up. Right. Yeah, 2 and up. Okay. Did you mention last time that someone managed to implement 2 separately scrollable screen areas? Though I guess it was probably a horizontal split. Yeah, that was horizontal split. I think MMC5 does have a vertical split option. But that might break. Well, So for this shake, though, I wouldn't want to shake this bit up in here, right? The middle bit. Because that's where all the fucking score shit is, right? And it would shake like all the text and shit up here as well. 5. But I think it doesn't allow scrolling 1/2. I don't think it doesn't combine with the extended attribute mode. No, from what I remember with the extended attribute mode, it doesn't use a separate like table for it. So it's still the same. So that part won't change. Vertical split mode. View fetching background pattern data for the vertical split region. This right. Entire screen. This search does not affect it at all whatsoever. Okay. Vertical split mode. Right only. Rate state detection is used. Specify vertical split threshold tile count. Region screen side left to right. Enable vertical split mode. In the intro where it shows ship stats. Okay. MC5 internal RAM is always used as the name table in split screen mode. Extended RAM mode should be set to that or that. RAM modes that will disable split mode because I think I'm using one of them. Come back here. Configuration, extended attributes. Are these two, right? I'm using these. Maybe. No, I'm using this for setup, and then this for the actual game, I think. What's the register for this shit? 5104. So this is for the initial setup. And then this one is for gameplay, the actual display. Okay. 01. Extended RAM mode should be set to 0 or 1. Okay. Driving the fidelity low also disables split mode. So it is automatically disabled based on PPU mask monitoring. Yeah. When using mode 01 with vertical split mode, the non-split region gains extended attributes. And the split region does not use extended attributes. Ooh. Okay. As long as the non-split region remains horizontally scrolled to align with the left edge of a name table, it's possible to share the extended RAM for both purposes. Oh. For example, split region on the right side of the screen will read as name table data and not extended attribute data from the right side of extended RAM. Left side of the screen will read as name table data from wherever it's assigned in 5105. It's extended attributes on the left side of extended RAM. These two separate functions extended RAM data without overload. That's why. Okay, yeah. So yeah, that would completely break stuff. Yeah. Based on the name table fetch count horizontally and scanline count vertically, the NC5 makes substitutions to the name table data, attribute data, table data, and the lowest three address bits of the pattern data. Horizontal behavior. For each visual scanline, PPU fetches name table data for 34 background tiles. The NC5 locates the split threshold by counting these fetches and comparing the count to the count value stored in register 5200. When the PPU is rendering in split screen region, the NC5 replaces the normal name table data with the split region name table data. Because the split threshold is located based on name table fetch count and not based on the actual name table address requested by the PPU, the location of the split is more of an absolute position on the screen. Always position the same number of tiles from the left side of the screen. If you use fine horizontal scrolling, can cause the first tile rendered to be of fractional width. However, the vertical split threshold will always occur at the full tile boundary. The exact location of the split threshold is affected by the horizontal scrolling, potentially deviating by up to 7 pixels this way. Yeah, so I wouldn't be able to keep the vertical split line correct, if anything. The stationary, rather, the line. Yeah. We'd only be able to scroll like one of them, essentially. There's no intended horizontal scrolling of any kind for the split region. Right side split regions will always remain right aligned with the right hand side of the name table. Left split regions will always remain left aligned with left hand side of the name table. Yeah. Horizontal scrolling can still be used for the non-split region. You can do vertical stuff. I guess. But yeah, that won't work. That won't work. Which, whatever, it's fine. That's fine. Yeah. All right. That didn't take as long as I thought it would, honestly. Oh, it took like 2 hours. Wow. Okay, I want to disable what is it? The demo music. Where is that shit? Man, and RQ. No buff. Reset. RQ doesn't work. Okay. All that nonsense. RAM. The FS stuff, right. FS play. Oh, goodness. All right. Yeah, my events users can probably figure out how to use the engine display these commits, comments, whatever. End up go to there. Interface, init. Initialize the engine with some music data. Music play, music pause, music stop. Configuration. 2 main ways of configuring the engine. The simplest way is right here in the section below. Simply comment or uncomment these defines. And move on with your life. Yeah, okay. Second way is externally, using the definitions coming from elsewhere in your app or command line. If you wish to do so, simply define external 1. All right. Let's specify the engine uses if and not if def for all the Boolean values. If you need to define these non-zero values, okay. Okay. 4 main things to configure: segments, audio expansion, global engine parameters, supported features. So, yeah, okay. Versi 6 Rainbow, Versi 7 Versi 5, yes. Ooh. You could technically get it to scroll one playfield, but at the cost of the other playfield, at best, not having the proper tile colors. Yeah, and we ain't doing that. We ain't doing that. How dare you, JoJo? I'm blaming you for that one. Why are you time traveling on? FS underscore. This functions. Okay, well. And it does the trampoline, right? I forgot about that. And music play. I don't want to do any music play though. I don't. RTS. Just don't do any of that. just don't. Just don't do any of that. Make. And then over here, reload. Turn on audio to make sure that that doesn't happen. There we go. Just sound effects. I need better sound effects though. I do that's the thing I need. Brip. Brip. I need to work on those, I think. Oh, I do have them over here. Okay. Yeah, I'll work on those off stream. I don't want to do that on stream. But I do want better sound effects for that. And without any music playing, I can just go ham with channels. And make it sound real nice. In theory. Master, that's not what I wanted to do, but okay. Let's do this instead. Make. And it still doesn't play anything good. Yeah. Good. All right. Yeah, commit that. Together music track. Get rid of that. God, 11 months was the last time I actually worked on this. Almost a full year ago. Holy shit. Holy shit. Push that up there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so the only other things then really to do with this, well, I guess be some cleanup visually here for the board, which I don't care to do right now. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, that all works just fine. Well, this works, right? $40 lines, right? Yeah. Double, yay. That's not good. That's not good either. Whoop. That's not what I wanted to do. Put you down there. 6 lines. Oh, this is going to be terrible. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, Jesus. Why am I so bad at this? That's pause. There we go. That was good. All right. I'm remembering how to play. There, there. That. Huzzah! $25 lines, like almost a little more than halfway there. I don't like that. Oh shit, that's not what I wanted to do at all. God damn it. God damn it. Son of a bitch. Buttons are acting weird, I think, a little bit. Spinning too much sometimes. Well, it's supposed to be a time thing, isn't it? Do I have a time? Is there a timer somewhere that's actually going? That's not what I wanted to do, damn it! I think this is supposed to be a time thing, or is it score? I forget how I set this up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. There it goes. I hit 40 lines. Wait a minute. Did I not? That was this game mode, wasn't it? Did I never actually complete the fucking line count game modes? Time attack. Branch equal time. Okay. Game mode. Single block stuff. I only do 2 of them, don't I? Standard. And single block. I don't do the time thing. Oh my god. What? All right. Lines and score. How was I? 40 lines, 200k score. 40 lines, 200k. Okay, so it's time 2 those. There's 2 different types of time attacks, and I'm not differentiating between those 2, aren't I? Time mode type. Type arg. Yeah, I'm not. Okay. Yoink. Paste. Time. All right. Time attack. Branch equal plus. Oh. Put it there instead, because this. Yeah, that all needs to be in there. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Well, hang on. I don't store. That's not what I wanted to hit. Damn it. High scores. Classic. No hold. Dirty board. Score. Time attack score. 200k. Do I store the time? I already have time stored somewhere. What the fuck? What? What? Please vote for tiles. Where the hell is that? Huh? It's not in here, is it? How much debug rotation? Is that even used anymore? No. Nope. Okay, well, okay, so. Doesn't that now only check for base type if time attack if base type wasn't already a different value? Yes. Because time attack is one of the base types. Standard, single block, time attack. There's already a different one. Where is he in it? No, it did at one point. So this one, if it is, that one just does this. That's inside. This is inside. So it won't ever hit since base type was already set to be not time attack. Yeah, I mean that's set up here. Right there. This is set up stuff just for time attack. If base type is single block, then you check for time attack. So these are all done. So this is what I'm actually checking. Not up there. What do you mean? Standard. It's not standard. We're going on here. We're checking for single block. If it's not single block, going right here. So it does the regular shuffle. But if it is single block, it's the single block bag, right, which is its own fucking thing. And then it jumps over that, over this, into here. Then it checks this. I don't actually do anything in here yet. No. Yeah, where is this time shit that I've got? Min-max, clear rows, bag stuff, field grids, level lines, temp high score, drop score, lowest Y, repeat left, repeat right, last next level, soft drop, speed drop, dirty left, debug kick. Is that used anywhere? That's also not used anywhere. Clear stuff, garbage. Power brick fell off or something. Give me a second. Right. Stay up there. Ah! So the power brick fell onto my keyboard that's hooked up to my stream machine. Yeah, it fell into a hotkey. It's a good thing I noticed that. Oh. All right. Time clear save. Okay, sure. Okay, so where is that used? Grep. Save time score. Only ever the fucking okay. Save type list. Oh, that's just the. No, okay, that's not what I'm looking for. Because that's the full blocks of shit. Score screen, title screen. List size, no. Save type list. Okay, check for new high score. Current game mode, high score index. Sure. Score entry. Well, no. Score entry. Where the fuck is this defined? All over the place. Jesus Christ. In Maine. What? Name time. Okay. Grep. Score entry time. Time frame? What the fuck is this? Load X time frame increment compared to 6. This is it. Okay. Okay, so we're storing that there. It was right in the score entry stuff. All right. Okay. But I never check that. I increment that shit directly. Not even that. For the lot. No, I'm never checking time for anything. I'm just recording time and how long it takes me to get to 40 lines, for instance, or 200K score. Okay. Where's the end game shit? Is that in like do player or some shit? Do player. That's in game shared. Do player. What are those states? Fall, place, clear, garbage. Dead and my. Okay. Dead transition. Where? That's where. Okay. Ugh. After bag. What is this in? Next block. Next block? Why am I doing that in next block? Because it does the update block. That's why. That's why I'm doing it there. No. Yeah, because it... Okay. Check for new... Okay, let's check for new high score. Okay. So... plus 2-player. Sure. So this is where I'd want to check for time mode. If time check conditions. Right? God, I hate doing that here though. I don't want to do that here. No. Reference, how you doing? Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Frame game. Do player. Update block. I want to do that here. Do that there, not here. That's where I want to be doing that. Right? So, game solo has whoa, no. Init game. Time. Yoink, paste. Load that. Compare that to yoink or paste. Branch side equal no time. Okay. And then from here, yoink, load that. God damn it, where is that set? Here. Huh? Shit. I don't know which is which. Ah! I thought I would multiply by 9. Why am I multiplying by 9? Shit. What? What? God damn it. Fuck. God damn it. Oh, boy. Time mode text and the sprites. Yeah. Why did I don't know. I bet you that's got to be like direct into yeah, this shit here. Okay, so 0 is lines. It's got to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, because that's 9. Okay. 0's lines, 1 is score. Branch not equal. I mean, they're both 9 long, but yeah. Okay. Okay, and I have like number of lines cleared. Where the fuck? Shit. Shared.asm. Clear count. No, I need 1 player mode. It's garbage shit. Nope, I don't want that. Let's clear this frame. Okay, it doesn't care about that. Drop score, score. No, no, no. High score. Contains tile indices. What? Okay, I need that. All right. Also, why do I need that actually? Do I? No, I don't have a high score here. That. Okay, so that's not actually used. Is it? 518. I didn't write it. That's not actually fucking used. Okay. Yeah, because I think at one point I had like the high score displayed during gameplay. I don't anymore, so it doesn't matter. Score entry is main. Current score. That's the time bullshit, sure. Lines, that's what I need. Yoink. Nope, no. Load up that lines. Compare that to 40. Branch minus no time. Otherwise, we're done, right? Jump dead transition. I think. Probably. And then for the score, oh god, what is 200,000 in binary? 200,000. God damn it, it's 3 bytes. Oh god. Ah! Yeah, scores. And it's gonna be all 30 bytes too. God damn it. Hit a display, but never implemented that. The screen does have a visual entry for the high score, just never shows the actual high score. Yeah, I had it on here as a placeholder at one point. I'm pretty sure. So if I go over to here and then, which one was it? No, it wasn't that actually. Okay. What the hell is this? Cool. Yeah, I had it on there at one point. Earlier tonight. There's a score there that like increments while I play. Right? Not there. No. In an earlier revision though of the screen, I did have that showing, and I might be able to bring up a picture or something. Give me a second. Yeah. Okay. So I did a long while ago. Right? That was on screen at one point. But it ain't there anymore. Yeah. Also, what the fuck is different in this? 11 and 25. What the hell are those? Some of that shit down there, I think. What's 25 in hex? 19. What the fuck? Huh? It's not really used anywhere, though. And 7 is what? Up here, 6, 7. This one here. No. But it's +1. Oh my god. Right? Or -1. It's -1. So 19, 18. That one there. Okay. That's why I forgot, because 0 is the transparent tile. Right. So yeah, we are going to actually add that. Add that. Okay. Yeah. Fix the tile. It's fine. Right, okay. That's transition. Otherwise, okay, okay. Time score. All right. Nope. I need score and no. This guy. Here. Nope. Score. All right. Load up. Paste. Compare that to 3, I think. Right? So decimal 200,000. 3, yes. Okay. Or let's do it like this, actually. Compare that. Branch not equal. Branch minus no time. Yoink. Paste. Because if it's equal, it'll fall through. Plus 1. Compare that to 0D. Branch minus. No time. Yoink. Paste. 0. Compare that to 40. Branch minus no time. Jump. Dead transition. Like that. In theory. Right? Probably. Be careful, branch minus. Shit, you're right. Well, none of these are above 127. Right? 40's under it by a bit. 0D is certainly under it. And 03 is also under it. Right? Well, I'm in an A, not the value you compare against. Are you sure about that? Oh, that is either. Okay. So greater than or equal to carries set. Yeah. So, but I need to like invert the jumps kind of. So carry set is greater than or equal to, but if it's equal to, I want to fall through. Compare that. Branch equal. Branch carry clear. It's greater than. right? Because if it's exactly 200,000, I want to fall through. I want to jump if less than. Oh shit! You're right. Set. Yeah. Never mind. So I don't need to do that. If less than no time. Oh, okay. That's not what I wanted. Make. Yeah. Okay, let's try the lines. 40 lines. Oops. Already not doing so great. Ew, we're just gonna go over here. Okay. 4 lines. 6. Whoop. Whoop. $17. Oh, yep. If higher. Yep. Because otherwise it's just checking. It's checking for hitting it exact. Which I might actually hit that issue. Shit. Here, if I clear 39 lines and then clear 1 more, or 2 more rather. Right? Let's see if I can do that. Would I be able to get in here, you think? Probably not. Nope. That's fine. Line check's only 1, but that's true. Yeah. $39. Okay. Let's see if I can make this one 2 lines. Eee. Two lines. 41. Nice. 345. I wonder how I'm actually checking for the high score on that. Because this I would want, like, probably for time, right? I don't know. All right. Person want to be CCC, yeah. Go. Oh, for this guy here. BCC. Yeah. And then for these guys, carry clear. Well, if it's set, it's greater than anyway, right? Oh. No, okay. Say equal or greater. Right, so if equal, I want to just drop to the next. Branch equal. Like that, but this... Dead time. There. Because if it's greater than, we're done. BCC, no time, jump, dead time. Huh? What do you mean? BCC, no time. Jump, dead time. Well, it'd never get to the next byte, though. If I have an unconditional jump. If you go check next byte, otherwise less than. Keep going. Yeah. Otherwise greater than, you're dead. Right. Okay, yeah, so with the BCCs in there, or the branch equal. Branch equal, check next byte. That's this guy here. Branch equal, check next byte. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I thought you were saying without the branch equal. Right, right. There. And this one just will fall into it anyway. There. All right. So let's see if I can do this. 200,000 score. Okay. Let's see if I can actually get to 200,000. Can I? I doubt myself, honestly. So I don't remember if shit. I don't remember if what's it? It speeds up. In this mode. After, what is it, like a number of lines or something like that, it speeds up? I think, normally. Something like that. I think, anyway. I thought. I don't know. Should I have gone like a back-to-back there? I feel like I should. That wasn't great. This is gonna take a while, isn't it? Yeah, it's gonna take a fucking while. Oh, okay. It wasn't great. Wasn't great at all. Oh, that was terrible. 6,000. Oh my god, I'm so far away. No, don't do it like that. Do it like that. And like that. Ah, shit. God, that's not what I wanted to do. God damn it. Some lines level, yeah. I honestly don't remember if this one like actually does it though, you know? It might. I forget how long it takes for it to like kick in, you know? $14,000. If I don't even make it far enough, I'm gonna be sad. You're not even hearing these sounds, are you? I don't even think I have it turned on for you guys. 'Ooh, nothing really good there. Ah, shit, that's not what I wanted to go with that. Ah, fuck. Yeah, you're probably hearing it from my mic and not piped through. That wasn't great there, actually. There we go. That's better. There we go. Clean up a little bit. 20,000. Not even halfway there. Probably going for like higher clears, honestly. It's gonna take forever. God, fucking that's not where I want to put it. I might try and verify this off stream. Or lower to like 100K or something like that, you know? Probably also risky. Yup. Yeah. Yep. Almost certainly. And I'm fucking up. I'm fucking up. Oh, it's going a little faster now, I think. That wasn't great. That's not what I wanted to do, but okay. Uh-oh. There we go. Let's clean up a little bit. There we go. It's better. It's better. It's better. It's not. Ah, shit. $60,000. God damn it! I wanted to spin it first. All right, well, that's cool, I guess. Whoop, and there, there, over here. Not doing good. Not doing great. Not. Oh, wasn't a good spot for that. Wasn't a good spot for that either. Whoa, I'm not gonna make it. I'm not making it. Yeesh. Uh-oh. 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 It's getting too fast. It's getting too fast. No, over here. Yikes. 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 Oh, shit. No. I'm not making it 20. I'm not making it 200,000. I'm not making it to 200,000. I'm not making it 200,000. I'm not even making it to 100,000. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Okay. I'm blaming the controller on this. The Xbox controller is not a good controller for this kind of thing. I'll figure that out later. It's fine. It's fine. All right. A third of the way there. Yeah. Okay. Well, I didn't even get halfway there. Damn it. Let's get rid of those debug ones. What are those in? Game shared. Okay. Game shared. Debug. And that. This, yeah. Size F1. I have what? 15 free bytes in zero page? Also, I saw another bug we haven't fixed yet. What's that? OEM 78. That doesn't sound right. Bigger than that, isn't it? Oh no, that's sprite shit. Never mind. Right? Then 3E3. That's like right up to the edge, because isn't that like only hex 400, I think, right? $500. Oh, okay, so it's a little bit more. I've got a bunch. Single notification doesn't clear all of E from the early notification. Maybe a quad, not sure. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I think I vaguely remember having that in there now, yeah. Oh, because Go to solo. Oh, ew. What the fuck is... Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so I took the simple way in versus mode. But right, in solo... I can like stack them kind of. Right, I do some weird shit with that. Yeah. Fuck. Yeah, I need to like redo that entirely if I yeah, I'd have to redo that, I think, how I store all that shit. Maybe? I don't know. What are you doing? Too much to floating panel? What? No. What? Do they have like a website? Here's dependencies. Yeah, go back. So, and let me show you what I'm looking at. Not that page, this one. Looking at this. Welcome. Changes in this version. What? These are panes which sit above the layout. Tile panes, like pop-ups, but unlike pop-ups, are not modal and behave like panes. So the same escape sequence support. Floating panes are created with a new pane command bound to just by default. Moved and resized using the mouse. Okay, I think I've got some mouse stuff. I think I might have mouse stuff disabled in T-Mugs. I don't remember. I don't know if that was just at work or here as well. Feels like the size from when I set to 2 is changed to show list of panes. Many of these features are not yet available for floating panes. One will be the ability to swap floating panes, resize them using resize pane, change them between floating and tiles, and restore custom layouts with floating panes. Yeah. I sincerely doubt I'll use that, honestly. And honestly, I don't use like half the features of T-Marks, the advanced stuff especially. I don't know. Even though I'm in T-Marks all the time, like the basic features work fine for me, you know? Yeah, I'm not going to be fixing this tonight, that's for sure. Make every text the same length by padding with spaces? I could, yeah. Nope. Images. Why are these guys over here? Yeah, I just take like that tile right there, and then just append that to the end of the data for each of them. Make all of them 10. Because I don't think I do, like, multiple line stuff for that. I think it's just, like, the 3 lines that I have. Right? Because that's what, yeah, this here. Right? Oh, no, perfect clear's in the bottom. The perfect clear's a special one. Okay. Right? Maybe? Yeah. Because perfect clear is a special one. Right. Still be up to 9 though. 9 bytes. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not doing that though tonight. All right. Oh, I don't need to do that there. The yeah. The check for the time attack thing. That doesn't need to happen. Okay. Okay. Fixed time attack modes. Only concepts to do for the stuff you just. I'll fix that in a second here. Remove some unused vars. Add exit game over checks for the 2-time attack modes. Remove the high score tile buffer. The solo game. This was originally going to hold a high score value and show it during gameplay, but that was abandoned once the high score tables were implemented. Removed some unused debug variables. God damn it. I was hoping that... Give me a second. It didn't show it, but I want to be safe. Good. Are these things actually used? This like SFX list and all that. Grep SFX list. Start ASM. No. Okay, those two aren't used. Song list and what even are these? Oh, these are auto generated, aren't they? Those. Yeah. Audio. Yeah, those I think are auto generated. Right. That's fine. Yeah. All right. Get ignored? Yeah, probably, but I don't know. Maybe it's one at a time. I think I'm happy with my progress tonight. So I think I'm gonna wrap up a little early. I say early, it's 10 o'clock. Yeah. I'm not sure there's much more to do with this ROM. Other than cleaning up some sound stuff and maybe some visual stuff on the player one field, maybe. But I don't see myself doing that on stream. So I'm not entirely sure what I'll be doing Sunday. Not entirely sure. I might do some preliminary stuff for the TRS-80, possibly. No guarantees. I don't know. I might just fucking play Mahjong too. I did that. That's a possibility. I don't know. At any rate, let's go raid somebody. Let's go say hi to somebody. Don't go anywhere yet. Let's see who's live. Says everyone is at 0 viewers. Thanks, Twitch. Appreciate that. I don't believe you. Following. Okay, I fixed it. There it goes. There's really only minor stuff left. Yeah, only minor stuff left. Some visual stuff and whatnot. I don't, like I said, I don't see myself really doing that on stream. If anything, I'll do it off stream. You know, I'll probably put together another ROM for GitHub and you know, release another ROM for that. At least with the updated code, because it's been I don't know if I did in the first place, actually. I don't think I ever did. Huh. All right. Well, never mind then. I get one of those out then. I'll go over here. But yeah, we'll go over here. Anyway, thank you guys for being here. Appreciate it as always. I'll see you Sunday. Don't know what I'm doing on Sunday. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Might just play a game. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, you guys have a good night. And yeah, come on to say hi. Bye-bye.